What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of KJD Investor. This is yours truly, KJ, and without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the portfolio. As you're looking at right now, as you can see, the investing account, we're sitting at $70,252.47. Up in the past hour, $38.96. Today, we did, well, it just struck 12 o'clock a.m., so it was 12:11, as you can see, so it's actually a new day today. We'll look at this past month. The past month, I'm up $3,400 in a position. That's 5%. Not bad, 5.11%, because each month I'm actually aiming for a 2% return each month. And if I can squeeze out anything over 2% return, then we're doing a heck of a job, y'all. We're doing great. So we're going to continue striving for that. The buying power is $4,900. Let me look at the 3 month. Okay, the past 3 months right here. As time goes on, you know the what we did 3 months ago and the gains that we make continually steady drops off. So we have to continue making more and more gains as time goes by. So right now in the past 3 months, $11,302.76. I'm up by 19.17% in the position. Now, here are some of my options. I'm selling, I'm doing sell puts on SoFi. Right here. So right now, SoFi is actually trading at $21.10. It just hit $20 yesterday, which was an all-time high, and it continues to run up. I'm selling, I think it's $18 puts. Let me see. Yeah. $18 puts right here, as you can tell, 7 contracts. That'll be 700 shares. If SoFi was to drop down to $18 by expiration, which is coming up in a couple of days on the 18th, I believe. No, I'm sorry, on the 11th. That one is for this Friday coming. So tomorrow. So, actually today, since it's a new day today. So yeah, it looks like I'm gonna be winning this trade because SoFi is steady running. It hasn't come down at all. So that's cool. Okay, well, next we got Big Bear. Big Bear is sitting at $7.16. I'm selling 2 contracts of Big Bear for $4.50. At the time when I did this contract selling puts, Big Bear was about $5 or $6 a share. And after we sold the $4.50 puts, it just shot up. So I'm already up 97.50% on this position. I'm going to be winning this one as well. I got paid a premium for the SoFi put and a premium for the Big Bear put. So that's going to be going good. Next, I got Sweet Greens. Sweet Greens, I'm selling covered calls. Got 4 contracts. That's 400 shares. Sweet Greens, break even price is $15.55. I purchased Sweet Greens for $13 a share, and I'm selling covered calls for $15 a share. Right now, the price of Sweet Greens $13.73. So it looks like I'm in the clear for this one as well. The stock appreciation is $511.82 on top of the $220 that they paid me for premium. So I'm actually making pretty good money on Sweet Greens as well. That looks like another trade I'll be winning. Next up is Walmart. I'm selling Walmart cover calls for $103. Right now, Walmart is down to $95.17. I have 114 shares of Walmart, market value $10,862.82. I have a total return of $4,131.77. That's a 61.38% return on the investment. With the 1 cover call I got for the 100 shares, I'm selling cover calls of $103, and Walmart is at $95.17. This is also expiring on July 18th, which most of my options are expiring July 18th. I'm up 94% in that position as well. So Walmart looks like another option play I will be winning. Also, American Airlines. American Airlines, I'm selling puts for $11 a pop. Right now, American Airlines is at $12.95. I have 5 contracts selling puts on. That's 500 shares of American Airlines, $5,500 for collateral. Right now, I'm up a total return of a 94.67%. That's an extra $355 on the position. And I actually collected $375 for the premium, which I will be pocketing that and keeping. Looks like I'll be winning the option contract with American Airlines as well. Cash earning interest right now is $4,905.42. I still have my crypto, got my Doge, Ethereum, Avalanche. I've been holding on to those. And you guys know I've been still investing in Bitcoin through the ETF iBit. I still got that, and I'm still investing into my ETF. My stock holdings right now is Apple, Google, Walmart, Coca-Cola. Guys, some Nvidia. But look, listen, I'm still investing in ETFs. I still got SCHD, but to be honest with you, let me show you. I'm planning on liquefying SCHD. Why am I liquefying SCHD? It's at $27.46. Guys, look at the last 3 months. SCHD hasn't really gone anywhere. The past 3 months, we've made $1.95. We're up 7.64%. That's good, but it really hasn't done too much. Year to date, look at the year to date. In February, look at January, we was at 27.92. It was all the way down to 27.01. And here we are, going to July. We were to start the second half of the year, and we're still at 27.46. We have absolutely gone nowhere with SCHD. I got 227.91 shares. That's a good chunk of money. $62.57. Average cost $26.36. I have total return of $251.65. That's a 4.19% return. And like I said, that's only because I've been holding it long term since last year. Guys, I sold off SPLG. I sold off FTEC so I could have more money liquidated so I can actually trade with. And it looks like I'll be selling off SCHD as well until I get to my trading goals. Meta, still got 2.63 shares of Meta. I'm probably going to be letting this go pretty soon as well. It's holding up capital almost $2,000. It's $19.0924. So I can also use this to trade as well. I'm up in a position at least 42%, 42.15% in Meta, $566.11. But Meta, it costs so much. It costs so much right now, $725.26. And Meta it just seems like it just continues to grow. I bought it back at $510, and I thought that was a lot, but it just continues to grow. So right now, like I said, it's holding up a good chunk of money. I can use that to help option trade and bring that income level up per month. Instead of 5%, I probably could be bringing in like 7 to 9 to 10% a month. And that's actually massive. If you can bring in like 10% a month for 12 months consistently, that's incredible. That's almost unheard of. Like those type of returns are just crazy. Okay, in the traditional IRA, we're sitting at $51,484.65. In the last 3 months, we're up $12,665.07, or 32.63% return in the last 3 months. Guys, same thing with this account. I'm option trading, doing what I got to do. Buying power is 32.3883 cents. I'm holding HIMS right now, selling a contract $40 put on HIMS. I'm actually up in the return of 92%, 92.51%, $210. HIMS is at $50.17. Like I said, I'm selling a $40 put on HIMS. And so it looks like I'll be winning that trade as July 18th approaches. Let me go skip that one, go to Palantir. Palantir, I have a contract. I have one contract out. I'm selling puts on Palantir for $125. And Palantir, actually, I'm up total return right now, 79% in the position. It expires on July 18th as well. And when we go look at Palantir, Palantir is actually at 141.66. This particular option paid me in premium $162 when I took it out. So again, Palantir, big boy company. Looks like I'll be winning that trade as well. Now, out of all the trades, this is the one trade that I feel like I may have to change course. Nvidia. Guys, I sold an Nvidia 157.5 cover call. You already know I got over 100 shares. I used to have over 200 shares of Nvidia. I'm probably at like 180 something shares right now, but I can still only do one cover call because I don't have that 200 mark anymore. But of course, I'm gonna try to get that. Anyway, I sold 157.5 cover call. Nvidia is actually at 163, so we are officially in the money. What I'll be doing with this particular stock, as you see, 126 is my share size. And I say 180 because I still got 55 shares in the other account, in the individual investing account. This right here is in the traditional IRA. So 55 plus the 126, like I said, still like 180 something. So the market value right now is $20,604.42. Guys, look at my total return. Right now, total return, I'm up $6,700. That's 48.55% because I've been holding this stock for a while, since last year, and the average cost is $109.98. But if you look at the option contract, I got paid in premium. I'm showing you right now. I got paid in premium 100. Let me see. Oh, that's for the buy. Sorry, guys. Okay, we got $119 here because I bought, $119 because I'm doing the covered call. But to be honest, guys, what I'm going to do with this position, and I'm just going to be transparent with you guys because you've been rocking with me from day one, I'm going to roll this position. I'm going to roll. Let me just click in here. As you see that, see trade, roll position, you see the optional roll? I'm going to roll the position. And the debit has increased even more. So the longer I wait to roll, the more of a debit I may have to pay. But what I'm basically going to do is roll this option up about $10 and out about another 30 days. That's what I'm going to do. Because Nvidia has broken out of the Bollinger Bands. It's broken out of the technical analysis. Nobody was able to predict such a high growth in this company. And Nvidia just continues to dominate the market. I still have my micro strategy. Right now is at $434 a share. I still have almost 10 shares of micro strategy. I'm up 53% in the position. My average cost was $283. So my total return is $14.82. Like I said, I got some Palantir here. I got 26.79 shares of Palantir. Market value $37.96. I'm up $1,761 in the position. That's 86.54% return. Like I said, I told you about the option contract that I'm selling puts on Palantir to generate more income. Costco, I got 4 shares. Costco is at $973. And I know I told you guys metal was expensive at $715, but Costco is even more expensive at $973. And I got 4 shares. Market value is $3,901.32. My average cost was $933.92. I'm actually making progress. I'm in profit, $156.71, 4.18%. But this stock costs so much and it's so big and bulky, I think I'm gonna re-enter it when the stock actually does a split. Costco's tying up almost $4,000, so that's a lot of capital I can use as well to do more option trading. So that's exactly what I'm planning on doing. As you see right here, the account is sitting at an all-time high, $121,746.21. We keep making those strides and goals to get to our $150,000 goal and our $200,000 goal. We have another $17,500 in the Fidelity investing account, and it continues to grow as well. I hope you guys found this episode helpful. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider subscribing. This is your boy, KJ the Investor, trying to bring you guys the best updated portfolio that I can provide for you guys. All the details, all the info, what I'm doing, what I'm trading next, what I'm investing in next. So your portfolio, if you choose to do what I do, I'm not saying you have to, but I'm saying if you choose to do what I do, your portfolio will grow. As you see, mine has been growing and it continues to grow. It hit another all-time high, and we've been hitting all-time highs like every day for the past 7 days, 8 days, almost 2 weeks. So there you go, man. So like I said, if you know somebody who can use financial advice, financial help, that's a newbie or beginner to investing, even they've been doing it for a while, they're intermediate or advanced level, go ahead and send them over to my page, man. Send them to the KJ Investment page. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Give this video a thumbs up, a like, comment down below what you'd like to see next, or any kind of comments you might have, and I'll be glad to get back in touch with you guys. Until next time, this is KJ the Investor, over and out. Peace.